Roofers are the most complained about service providers in the entire construction industry. That's what the BBB had out a couple of years ago, and I don't think that statistic has changed. I recently read a roofing publication where they went over a survey that they did. This was in 2024, where they surveyed people who recently got their roof replaced and asked them, what was the biggest challenge you faced? The biggest challenge that respondents faced was communication. 40% said the biggest challenge was just not knowing what was going on. That's a big number. And what that tells me is that it's something more than just a simple, booking the job or they were late one day or something like that. For me as a customer, getting my roof replaced, I want to make sure it's done right. I want to make sure it doesn't leak. I want to make sure that the pricing is transparent and I understand what I'm getting. But far and above those issues, it's a communication problem in the roofing industry. So it must be communication failures where there are surprises on pricing. Communication failures where they just don't know what's going on, when the crew is showing up, and how it's getting done. It's such a big deal to customers that the pricing and the quality kind of fade in the background because of the nightmare in poor communication. So my purpose here with Joyland is actually stated right in our mission. And one of those points is that we're clear in our communication. And I want that to be the entire way across our relationship with our customers, from the first time they communicate with us to the final inspection and paying the bill. Our goal is that they never have to reach out to us with questions, because we want to be proactive and answer those questions before they even come up. Interesting survey, and it just kind of confirmed again that we are on the right track. We want to continue to improve our communication. It really does matter, and it really sucks when you don't know what's going on as a customer. I've had that experience as a homeowner where I've had contractors come in to redo my kitchen and do drywall and do electrical work. And it's true, way too many contractors just do not communicate on important things like the price and like the timeline and the materials they're using and stuff like that. We all trust that a contractor or an expert in a given field is going to do their work right. That's the basic level, the entry level. Everyone should know how to do their job well. But above all, we want to know why things are happening, when they're happening, and how they're happening. We're never going to be perfect at this, but that is a very big focus of ours, because I know that in the background we've got these numbers kind of looming over our heads in a sense, where as an industry we're doing pretty poorly. So based on the BBB report, based on this recent survey in the industry, it's clear to me that communication is still a really big problem and a really big deal, and something that we'll continue to work on improving here at Joyland so that we can improve the experience for our customers and hopefully influence the industry at large as we grow. So that's where we're going. Good communication. We want people to know what's up at any time of the day or night if we're involved in the project.